It's a big donkey. An old Makita 9401 belt sander. That sounds rough. That's the wrong screw, you know it. Bearings. That bearing's shot. Brushes too. Oh yeah, that is stuff. It's not good. A bit of use on that. Column bar nearly worn all the way down. Questionable if that's going to run or not. Well, I won't try to find out. That bearing has got just in time. She was already starting to melt the fan. That's how hot she was getting. That's been changed before, because the last time it was cut off. Hopefully we'll get away with us. Not going to do much more to this thing, because it's already getting rusty with that armature. She is worn all the way down. So she's very near end of the column bar here, so it'll run for another while. I'll probably get through another set of brushes with it before she eventually burns out. Needs to replace that motor, but it'll do for a while longer. Now, see if that holds it for a while longer. Sounds better, isn't it? wrong belt, but it'll be alright. Hey, that should work. I'll change that while I'm at it. Seems alright. Needle bearing still intact. Now this is an industrial sander. And you know it's an industrial sander because it's designed like one. All these bearings on the armature and on the drive, they're all the same. 6200. You just use the one bearing for everything. So when you need to change the bearings, you don't have to go ordering different ones. Just need to order enough of the one size. This doesn't have to be overly tight. This will tighten itself whenever this starts running. Now, that's your run. Running better anyway. Can't fix it completely. See that roller, the brass bushings in that roller starting to fade as well. That's where that sort of rattle at the end's coming from. Wouldn't be worth changing that with the state of that armature. As well leave it noisy and working. I was going to change them, but they're alright. This is just a cork pad or sponge pad for a bit of padding on your belt. And this here's the friction plate. Just a bit of graphite impregnated canvas, just so it's nice and slippery for your belt to run across. These wear out anyway and do need to be replaced, but this man will more than likely have one of these in stock already. Spot on. That's how you change the bearings and brushes on a 9401 belt sander. That is a really old Makita one. Doesn't have a year on it. It's one of the originals with the original badge. There's the original Makita badge logo. Made in Japan. Best thing about that old machine there, that's like an old dinosaur basically. Built to last, really industrial. Heavy as hell. You're not going to be doing much work holding that with one hand. She's designed to last. Best thing about it, you can still buy them. That thing is still available. You get this, the 9401, which is this here, the big heavy one. You get a 9402, a 9403, it's like a wee stumpy looking thing. And then the one most people buy is the 9404. I have the 9404 myself. Decent enough machine, but nowhere near as good as that there. If you wanted a belt sander for lasting you for life, that's what you buy there. Makita 9401. Brilliant piece of kit. As you can see by the wear in that armature, they work till they're worn out. And that's not unusual to see an armature like that there, one of these machines. They generally run the whole way through. Because it's hard to actually burn them out unless you're really leaning on them, or else sitting on top, driving across the floor on them. That's her now. Back up and running. Like this kind of content folks, hit like and subscribe for plenty more. Now if you are interested, I have also signed up to patreon.com, or Patreon, whatever it is, a funding page. So if you want to sign up to that there to get the latest videos and that, sign up. It's only a fiver a month or something. Throw a bit of money into it if you're interested. Hopefully put the money together then, buy some of the newest machines. Want to get some of the newer model machines like a Koki, Bosch, Makita, stuff like that there. The newest, latest models, so we can tear them apart, look inside, see what they're made of, see if they're any good. To get an actual breakdown, tool review on them. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, check out the old Patreon page.